captain's side over here. Right?
The captain's side. The other side is the drinker's side. I like that.
It's got a little dent here too, see? A crease where it hit something. It's really low right now because whenever you unhook all the electrical and you push down on the car, it doesn't compensate anymore.
Oh, here comes Bella. Hi, Bella. She's fancy.
Most people in the 50s wore poodles on their skirts.
Yeah. I wear my poodle on my shoulders.
Really popular in the 50s.
My mom had one.
Did she really?
Oh yeah, she had a poodle skirt. She was fancy.
This looks like that got scratched. Yeah. Got scratched up by something.
Probably the mower.
Maybe. Gotta be careful.